Hi, my name's Tom from Big Boiler Shop, and this is just a quick overview video to show the top 3 reasons why Ideal boiler brand is our most popular brand. Number 1, we have over 500 Ideal boilers out there, and I have to say they are very reliable. Occasionally one will need fixing, and what we have found is that the Ideal engineers are very fast to act and to help the customer out with no quibble. So reliability is a key reason why we recommend Ideal boilers. The second reason why they're the most popular brand for Big Boiler Shop is the range of combi boilers available really do cater for most UK homes that are on the gas grid. And the third reason is price wise. They've got a boiler for every budget. For landlords or first home buyers or people that perhaps know that they're moving on the year after, we've got the Ideal Esprit, or sometimes called Ideal Instinct. We've got the Ideal Logic, which is their mid-ranged boiler. Comes with up to 7 years warranty. Very popular and very reliable, the Ideal Logic Plus. And then their premium boiler is the Ideal Vogue. This used to come with 10 years warranty. It still can get a 10-year warranty, but you have to install the Ideal filter with that. This is their premium flagship boiler. It's awesome. It's a brilliant piece of kit. But we're going to do separate videos on the actual pages that you'll find down below, which will go more in depth on each individual boiler.